Hello, today I'm going to show you one very interesting and useful option. Let me show you here. If I put here in my project task 1, which will have 2 days duration, and task 2, which will have 3 days duration, and if I make task 1 as predecessor of task 2, you will see that task 2 is going to start immediately after task 1 has been finished. But let me now erase this and change the option, which is File, Option, Schedule, and if you scroll down, you will see Calculation. This option can be turned on or off. Default is on. Calculate project after each edit. If I put it off, okay, and if I click on OK, and now I put a predecessor, you will see that I will not get the same result as previous. Why? Because I should hit F9 before the actual, the real situation and the real scenario will be accurate. To see that, I will go to Task tab and to Inspect, and you will see when I go to Task 2 that it will say calculation for this project has been turned off. The following information may not be accurate unless you recalculating the project by pressing F9. Let me put task 3 here. And let me say that it has 5 days and the predecessor is task 1. Okay? And let me now put task 4. And let me say it is, let's say, 2 days and the predecessor is task 2. You see, nothing happens until I hit F9. After hitting F9, you will get the right result. So now I will turn it on. Okay, File, Option, Schedule, and I will turn it on back it to on. Now, if I go here and put 3 days, everything will be calculated as expected. You may ask yourself, why on the earth should I turn this option off? Well, it may seem stupid, but it's not. If you have a large project with thousands of tasks and you turn this option on, you, after each and every editing of each and every task, the recalculation will be done for all tasks, and then you can have a waiting period. It can last. But if you have small project like I have here, it makes sense to turn it on. So which is the better approach? Well, none. It depends. If you have a large project, then turn it off and don't forget to hit F9. So let's say that you have thousands of tasks and you have to change 32 tasks, for example. You change them and then you hit F9 and you will get the accurate thing. If you have small project, you keep it turned it on. And be aware of one thing. If you go here, File, Option, Schedule, be aware, okay, here, that this apply to all projects. You cannot choose that you want to turn it on project A and turn it off on project B, like you can do for some other options here. So new tasks are created as auto schedule in project 2, but if I open project 3, I can put it in manual schedule. Which doesn't make a sense, by the way, but here this is just an example where you can choose to the options which will be applied to specific project. With the calculation, it is not possible. So with that said, I mean that when you turn it on or off, it will be applied to each and every project, no matter which project is open. So what if you want to jump on and off? Let's say that you have a large project, you will open a large project and turn it off. After you close this project, you can open another project and turn it on. But if you forget to turn it back off, when you open this large project, it will be recalculated automatically. So be careful and use this option as it suits you best. Thank you very much. And don't forget, when you turned it off, hit F9. Otherwise, if you forget, you will not get the right result. Bye.